New this year is a dedicated PDM tab for the Command Manager, allowing you to easily access common commands. The Get command now provides more information with the addition of the revision column. And you now have the ability to check out the components you want to work on, streamlining the overall workflow. This version of the design included the addition of the wire harness with all of its components. New in 2025 is the ability to browse to the selected item in a new window, making it easier to access common views like the computed BOM, where the bill of material order now follows the assembly feature tree, reducing confusion. With this assembly checked out, let's finish the design by adding all the plastic covers and checking the design in with a simple comment. You may have noticed that this assembly was opened in lightweight mode. Common commands such as change state are now available, allowing users to take full advantage of PDM capabilities without having to fully resolve. Finally, the task pane toolbars have been completely redesigned, allowing for more commands to be accessed. You can customize the toolbar by adding or removing commands that you don't want. In Windows Explorer, the SOLIDWORKS last open time is now a system variable and can now be displayed as a column, providing valuable insight into your files. When accessing the complete search, you now have the ability to control where the preview is located, allowing you to customize your environment. When previewing your designs, the area to transition to the full eDrawings preview is now much larger and discoverable. Latest revision is now a system variable that's available in a number of locations, including the version tab, providing better visibility to the latest revision. And new this year is the ability to easily get the latest revision or a specific revision of your design. Let's search for the top level design. The bill of materials now allows you to view a flattened version of the computed BOM, providing quantity roll-ups across parts and subassemblies. And the bill of materials can now be exported with thumbnails, providing much better clarity to the BOM. For administrators, you can now access the log information for when users log in and when they've logged out. The log contains valuable information for the date, application including desktop, Web2, COM API and Web API, machine, address and user. And finally, administrators can define default view settings for the computed BOM and then deploy them to all users.